Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Marui A5 NGRS model. This one has come in for some work because it was broken, so it's a repair. And this one was, just go over some of the details. So it was, when we got inside, it was a broken sector gear. So I don't know if you can see the teeth missing at the top there. And some old debris, so that's broken, so that would stop it working, definitely. We also noted that the previous techs had not seated the bearings very well. That was it's almost like they've been sort of hammered in, but we've sort of left it as is. But obviously our advice to anybody fitting bushings, obviously going forward, is that if it is set 6mm, don't hammer it into the hole, ream the hole out so that 6mm can fit correctly. You want a nice loose fit so that it just drops in, and then you secure it with some kind of Loctite or a bearing lock. So that's the best way to fit them. But you can't complain too much because, like I say, even though it is slightly bowed out on the gearbox, which you have to comment on because obviously we don't want anyone blaming us, you know, it's like I say, it's still shimmed up okay and still was passed all the tests, so we're happy to pass that out. But like I say, technically, it's ever so slightly sort of bowed downwards a bit. Like I say, enough to be visually seen anyway. So we've also got so we replaced the gears with Prometheus 18:1, and then obviously reshimmed. That's obviously passed all of our amp tests okay. We've got a new spring in there because the original one was like a cut down AEG spring, so obviously we've replaced that. We've got the FPS Cylinder Head, which is there was a small up and down movement on the original nozzle, so it's always worth checking those just to see if there's play. So that's been replaced, and we've fit a Firefly Airnozzle. We've got one power spacer, Psionic Thor hop, and when we range tested, the accuracy was very wide on the groupings. It's already got a type ball barrel, but we've combined with the Psionic Thor hop, and it's much improved groupings now. So hopefully there was probably a problem with the original, or dirt maybe possibly on the actual hop rubber. We've chronoed on 270 on 3.2s and 364 on 2s. So obviously you can see there that obviously the number 2 number is quite high over, but the corresponding 0.2 reading, 3.2 reading is obviously 270, so that's fine. So yeah, otherwise, like I say, I'll just demonstrate it working now. There we go. The only other things we can think to obviously change, accuracy and stuff would be possibly obviously replacing the original barrel with another one. I know it's upgraded, but sometimes obviously they get dirt and debris in these things, and that would be my other recommendation there to improve things. But it passed our range test, so hopefully it's all better for you and some improvements. But yeah, feel free to let us know on the feedback on that. But we hope you enjoy. Any other problems, let us know. But have fun. Thank you.